Hey folks, Joyce here. Welcome to my office. If you're an existing or previous client, this background may look familiar to you. And by background, I mean real life background, okay? This is a real plant that has grown so much. I'm so proud of it, just like I'm proud of all my clients. So keep up the good work, you guys. And if you are curious about working with me, this is kind of a sneak peek on what you would get to see during our virtual sessions. In any case, we're in my office and not in the kitchen because I have a special announcement to make. As y'all know, I'm a certified health coach. And as of 2 days ago, I'm a certified nutrition coach now through the National Academy of Sports Medicine. And I'm so excited to share that with you guys because I'm bringing you more value as a health and nutrition coach. So my background started in the Institute for Integrative Nutrition as a health coach, and I really learned to work with clients super close, look at their lives holistically, and help them make small behavioral changes along the way that leads to bigger changes and that has a lasting impact that they are now incorporated it into their lifestyle and they've transformed their lives. So I'm happy and proud to be part of those changes that my clients have made. I'm very appreciative of the program. But while I was in the program, I was also looking for more nutrition science, and I was able to find that through the National Academy of Sports Medicine Certified Nutrition Coaching Program. And of course, I just want to say I'm not advertising for any of these schools or programs. I just wanted to let you guys know where I'm getting my expertise and knowledge from. So now as a certified nutrition coach, you guys, I can get into more detail about nutrition. Not so much detail as a dietitian would be able to, like dietitians can do meal plans, medical nutrition therapy. I'm not offering that. But when I, as a health coach, I could only talk about basics, like what's on your plate, portion control, but I couldn't really get into the specifics. So now as a nutrition health coach, I can do that for you guys and that looks like looking at your calorie intake, calorie expenditure, your macronutrient distribution. We can adjust that to fit your health and wellness goals. We can talk about metabolism, weight loss, vitamins and supplements. Not that I'm recommending them per se, but I'm giving you evidence-based information on which one's safe, which one's more effective, so you can make those choices if you wanted to incorporate them into your routine, okay? So I'm so excited to be able to do that and offer that for you guys. Again, it's adding so much more value to my services. So if you're curious about what that's gonna look like, please sign up for my mailing list. I put the link below in the description. And again, if you're curious about the differences between a health coach, nutritionist, and a dietitian, please check out my video. Link is above and in the description below. And that's part of the series Work with a Health Coach. And yes, now that I'm a certified nutrition coach, I can confidently say I am also a nutritionist in the state of Texas. And in the state of Texas, I can say that they allow me to hold that title, okay? So if you have any other questions, please reach out to me at jm@calahealthandwellness.com, or you can connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Cala Health and Wellness. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so to my channel and click on the little bell next to it so you can stay updated on future videos as soon as they come out. And if you've already subscribed, thank y'all so much. I so appreciate all your views and watching all the way to the end. In any case, that wraps it up. I'll see you guys next week. We'll be plating, prepping, cooking, and eating plant-forward balanced meals so I can continue to help you with your health and wellness journey. So until then, you guys, remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.